Hi lovelies! Welcome back to Bread Start Education Hub. Let's do some CVC words together with reading. Today the CVC we're going to do a sentence together with it as well. Are you ready? Let's go! These words we are mostly used to them. If you are on my channel, you know that I'm always bringing out this word. It's not that I don't find other words, but I want us to be conversant with this word. When you can read these ones, there is a probability that you can read other ones because I bring out words from word family, and word family is a very helpful way to help reading. If you know the beginning part, the ending part, it's no longer difficult. We have bat, bat. We are considering the short A vowel sound. K, at, cat. H, at, hat. M, at, mat. F, at, fat. Lastly, r, at, rat. Who would remember the word family that we just read out now? At. Good job. The next one from the other part is an. An word family. Let's read. K, an, can, an, fan, an, man, p, an, pan, b, an, ban. Lastly, an, van. Now let's do the sentence together. D, a, dan, h, as, has, a, k, at. We just did the blending reading. Now let's read it out. Dan has a cat. Well done. Let's read the second line. D, a, dan, calls, calls, is, his, at, cat, b, a, bam. Now we have read the blending part. Let's read the words together. Dan calls his cat Bam. Good job. Let's move to the third line. B, a, Bam. Likes. Likes to nap. Nap on. On the at mat. If you notice, I didn't blend some words. Why? Who remember? Good job. Because they are sight words. They are tricky and we can blend them. On setting our eyes with them, we know that they are our sight words, we know them, and we don't blend them. Is that okay? Good job. Now let's blend the fourth line. B, a, bam. T, apps, taps. D, an, dan. T, g, eight, gate. J, jam. Bam taps Dan to gate jam. Interesting. The last line, d, an, dan, and b, bam. Likes, likes, jam. Good job. So let's read again. Dan and Bam likes jam. So Dan and his cat loves jam. That's why Bam tapped Dan to get a jam. Interesting. From this, we have just considered the short A vowels And the readings were also taken from the short A. The words were also from the short A vowels. Thank you so much for tuning in to Breast Start Education Hub. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!